Today is February 6th, and this is our third snowstorm in about, I want to say, 2.5 weeks. It's so pretty. And this is the first time that we've been able to get snow during the daytime. So the last couple of times that we've gotten snow, it has been kind of at nighttime, or in the middle of the night. And I just can't even capture how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. This California girl, it never gets old for me. I know there's people who are like, I can't drive or we can't go anywhere. And you know what? I'm okay just to hang out at home for a long time. It's so beautiful and it's peaceful. It's like super quiet. I can hear the road a little bit. But it's so pretty. And I just love it. I love winter. These flakes are really big. One thing, the kids have gone sledding a lot. One thing we haven't done is make a snowman. So maybe the kids now make a snowman later today. Look at way out there towards the east. It's a total whiteout. Lily's hanging out up here. Anyway, I thought it was really neat, and I just wanted to take a little bit of a video to show you all how pretty it is. Even my ducks aren't out in this. The ducks love the wet weather when it rains, but the ducks are underneath the patio cover right now, and so are the chickens. I see a hosing off of our patio once spring arrives. All right. So pretty, right? See you next time.